All right, you guys, so this is the look that I came up with today. The focus is really just on the face and the foundation, so I just wanted to do something really simple. And then I also wanted to do the pop lip because I wanted to try out all of these new Maybelline products. And I also threw a few older Maybelline products in there too. Some favorites of mine that I've been using for a long time and sort of forgot about and then came back to for this video. So make sure that you guys like this video, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, I'm gonna give you a really quick review, a little rundown on all the products and my thoughts about them.
K to the E to the K, nah, K. But see me see every time I want to do. Don't miss any time when you gotta go. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wander. She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order. He wants to wander. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wander. She had me heaven. Yeah, that's what me say. She wants to wonder, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your gain, my gain, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wander. She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order. He wants to wander. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wander. She had me heaven. That's what me say. She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me on, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, thing I got it on, girl. See me falling, fall from my sky. Panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional. I think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got a strong desire. Up to the morning after. Now she's moving on. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wander. She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order. He wants to wander. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wander. She had me heaven. That's what me say. She wants to wander. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wander. She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order. He wants to wander. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wander. She had me heaven. That's what me say. She wants to wander. Bad man. Na. KK. Young buds, baby. I see her. Kill.
So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a wear test with this, you guys. I do have several videos to record today, but it's not like I'll be running errands. I will be in the house most of the day, so we'll see how that goes. But for now, I just want to give you my initial thoughts. So we will start with the Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage Foundation. So I used 2 pumps of this foundation, and I really thought I would have to go back and do another layer, but this foundation is very full coverage. Now, in terms of the color, I was not that happy with this color. I typically like my foundation to actually be slightly darker, a little deeper than my skin tone, because when I use my concealers and other things like that, it lightens my face so much that I like to start off with a slightly more tan foundation. But the color that I used today was Warm Sun. When I went to Ulta's, this was the deepest shade that they had. Well, they had deeper shades, but this was the closest shade to my skin tone that they had available. I went to 2 other stores, and none of the other stores had my shade. They only had shades far lighter than my skin tone. So I don't know if that has to do with what shades they're releasing to what stores or what area of the region, but in the stores that I've been going to, this was truly like the most the shade that was closest to my skin tone. And then I think they had a shade that was very much darker. Now, there are 16 shades of this foundation, which I think is a pretty okay shade range, but I think, you know, it goes even deeper to just what shades are released. It goes deeper to what stores are picking up what shades, because I feel like the stores will pick up certain shades in certain areas, and in certain areas of the nation or the state or wherever, like Target will only pick up certain shades, and then, you know, CVS will pick up certain shades. I just want to see all the stores picking up all the shades right away, as opposed to waiting to see how the product sells and then they'll decide to throw in the darker shades later. It just seems like an afterthought, and it's really hard if you want to try something and you are of a deeper, richer skin tone. It's not available. So, you know, it's great that Maybelline came out with 16 shades. They could have come out with more, of course, but it also kind of sucks when the stores aren't picking up all the shades. So even though the shades are out there and they exist, they're not available in the stores for you to try out. So that's definitely still an area that needs improvement. I also did want to try out the concealers, the new shades that are available in the Age Rewind concealers, but those were not available in my area either. So that was pretty disappointing. But yeah, as far as the foundation, the coverage is definitely full. I only had to use 2 pumps, and that did give me a full enough coverage on my face. I think I would have liked a little bit more in my under eye area, but I said, you know what, no big deal. I'm gonna be adding more product there anyway, so we'll leave it alone. Then I went ahead and set my foundation using the Fit Me loose finishing powder in medium deep. I thought this had a little bit of an ashy cast, but it worked out fine. Initially, I was putting it on with the sponge, and I wasn't really crazy about how that was working out. But when I started to dust it on with a nice fluffy brush, I actually was much happier with that. I personally think I could have went a shade darker in this loose powder, and that would have been better for me. So I got medium deep, so maybe I probably should have just got deep. Which would have been probably perfect. But I mean, in the end, it worked out fine. After that, I went ahead and used my my ColorPop for my under eye, but I did use an oldie but goodie. This is my Fit Me Maybelline powder in number 240, and it's great for my under eye area. This actually is a foundation powder, but I just use it to set my under eye because it's so bright, but it has like a nice rich yellow tone to it, which I really, really like for my under eye area. And I have really forgotten about this product, so I'm so glad I did this video because I will definitely be incorporating this back into my routine. So I also used the SuperStay matte ink. This was my least favorite product that I tried today. I do feel the formula is very sticky. It has a very odd smell. The wand is very hard to deal with. Like, I would definitely say you would need a lip liner to apply this, because it just, I still don't like the shape that the wand created on my lips today. I also feel like this product is quite streaky and it doesn't dry quickly enough for my liking. So there's just a lot that I don't care for about this. It's just not comfortable on my lips. It feels very sticky even now, and I've had it on my lips for at least 30 or 40 minutes. Like, I still feel a stickiness to it that I don't particularly like. It also feels quite drying. So I feel like I want to put on lip balm. So this is my least favorite, especially for the price point. Yeah, this is like a hard pass. But yeah, that's pretty much my initial thoughts. Like, right now, I think my face looks awesome. It looks like a porcelain doll. I mean, I just love the way this foundation looks on my skin, and I'm just hoping that it lasts. So you guys let me know what you think. Have you tried this foundation yet? What was your experience when you went to go try it out? Did the stores have all the shades? Were the shades sort of sold out, or did it seem like your shade was never there to begin with? I'm very curious to know. Anyway, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.